Alright guys, this is a how-to video on the Diode Dynamics ballasts to replace the factory ones with Diode Dynamic ones. I used a plate that's a tracing of this, trace it out on a piece of aluminum, stick it to it with some 3M tape. Just need basic tools, screwdriver, wire strippers. I'm using butt connectors. You can solder if you want. So this is how you do it. There's only two wires that you need to splice. I don't know if you can see. Positive is going to be on the left, negative is going to be on the right. So with the included wiring, this one right here, just splice those in. I cut off about 1 inch after the connector just in case you need these or someone else does for any other reason. Alright, now that we have this connected, that's the only modification needed to your stock headlight other than making the plate to mount the ballast onto. So now after that, just need to run the wire for the bulb through the headlight. Alright, now I have both of the ballast wiring through the light where the ballast should mount. I recommend running the wire that goes to the bulb this way through the high beam hole and then pass it up through there. Works out a little bit easier. Now I need to transfer all the bulbs and mount the ballast since I'm taking this stuff out of my old light. Alright, here's the ballast connected. I'm going to just put one screw in it for now and test it to make sure everything works before I put more silicone on it and seal it up. Alright, use one bolt to hold it in place so it doesn't fall off. Don't want to ruin your expensive shit. Get yourself a nice Audi flip key. Bright as shit, but the halo and little LED work. Check high beam just to make sure everything's good. And we're good. So we can seal that one up. That is way more than you'll ever need. But whatever. It's not going to hurt anything. Alright, I'm going to move these wires and get this sealed up. Alright, this is what it should look like when you're done. That's the plate you made to connect your ballast to. Sealed up good with silicone. Now it's time to put the light in for good. It's really hard to see in this video, but that is just the retrofit source halos. If you want to add these, what I did was I wired the signal to the white halo to your little 194 bulb down here, and both the power and the ground are contained in the headlight. Down here is the orange wire for the switchback. I'm going to connect down here to the fog light. On driver's side it's the dark blue wire, passenger side is the dark green.